Hi, I am Dr. Rajni here, Bharata Siksha Ratna Awadi, having more than 3 decades of experience in the field of teaching. In my experience, I have seen different kinds of the teachers who are facing a lot of problems in their teaching profession. They could not able to balance their career as well as the family. So there are core key identification of my points is the number one is called workload and the time management. Due to their work schedule and they could not able to balance their family and their career and the work pressure will be there. So it is also an emotional state of well-being where they could able to show their anger and they burst out and they could not able to feel it happily to teach the students. Number two is classroom management and the discipline. How to motivate the children. So this they are lagging really. They could not know because the time old age old method of teaching is going on. They could not able to transform their knowledge, transform their teaching methodology into a modern gateway era of this 21st century skills. Similarly, the discipline of the students and all those stuff will be a very tedious job nowadays for the teachers who are facing in their schools from the students, because they come from the different background of the family and they could not able to balance all those things. The next one is the resources, how they could able to develop their resources and update their knowledge and skills. It is also a challenging task for the teachers. As I told earlier, the emotional well-being, how they could not able to balance all these things. So these are the five factors which really making an hindrance for the teachers to continue their profession happily, and so that they can able to show that they are the best teacher in the school, and they can also train students according to their desired level. So, hi, in this workshop, Teachers Trainers Guru, there is a teachers training workshop. It will be giving you all sort of issues where you can able to get vanished swiftly. So, join this teachers training workshops conducted by Trainers Guru by the resource person Dr. M. Rajni, a well renowned educationist for more than 3 decades. So, click on the link below and join this workshop. Why are you waiting for? See you there.